Hello YouTube and welcome back to another art therapy video. This is going to be another speed paint just to show style, and this might actually help a few people in the form of approach, how you approach our artwork. So please subscribe to the channel. That'll definitely help the channel grow and allow me to put out more videos. So definitely hit that like button if you like the video. Thanks, and let's get started. I actually approached this piece, I actually did not know what I was going to draw originally. Most of the time, speed painting, just drawing in general is just an exercise. So remember, that's just an exercise. Just like you go to the gym to work out certain parts of the muscles, sometimes you already know how you're going to approach the gym to exercise those muscles. But the same thing with art, you want to exercise a specific thing, but results only come from repetition. So keep drawing. Remember to subscribe and like if you like the video. Thanks for watching.